mataas yung Evian.
Ulo ako.
Okay ka? Flat foot ma'am, flat foot.
Kaya resibo nga eh.
Mga nahulog ko.
Mama, gusto niyo mag-long hair? Diba, Basher? Bakit wala bang pan dito? Ay, sabi na dagat. Umakyat ka nang napakalayo. Gagap pa ng dagat. Bakit ikaw hindi?
Uy, at least ako, inaano ko mga about, tinatanong ko kung ano meron. Tinatanong ko kung ano meron sa kabila. Tapos sa kanya, basta dito.
Wala talagang dagat. Ganyan ka, wala na ka tayong pera.
Hello. What are we doing?
We are looking for a place to eat. Because we just finished visiting the Hanging Caverns. Bakit tayo ng English? Hindi kasi nila maintindihan. Oo nga. Mag-English ka, wala ka dyan ako pinagsasalita. No! Nag-ipipi ka, te. Oh, you're so cute. Parang siyang yung nagpapati. Tingnan yung hair niya, di ba? Oo. Cute!
It's our first trip together. Is it?
Hindi. Ano, like, malayo. Together, dalawa lang tayo. We went to Sagada and I didn't inform my parents that I'm going here.
Huwag niyo gagayahin.
In English,
Don't. Afraid that they will say Sagada is too far and that they won't allow me to go.
we had so much challenges before we were able to be here. Like, we almost didn't get the chance to go here because of my aunt. And I lost my money. That's 2K, you guys. That's 2K. You know 2K? No, you're not Filipino. Ano, yun lang ang pag mo sa video, Diyos ko. Yun na si Tam Tam.
Sumibol na pag-ibig natin.
Her first night in Sagada. She made her own pure Sagada. I love her. Morning. Morning. Love you. Yeah, I'm sleeping. Never.